Hello, this is the MSKMiner.com channel. In this video, we will show you how to flash the Antminer L9 on the SVTech processor. So let's get started. We have an L9 running on the stock firmware, which is currently locked for updating with custom firmware. In order to flash the L9, we first need to roll back the device itself from an SD card to SVTech S19K Pro. I will do this now. Flashing from an SD card follows the standard method. Turn off the power. Insert the SD card with the firmware from S19K Pro, which you can download from our channel or website. After the device boots up, the utility will recognize it as an S19K Pro. So now the S19K Pro has appeared on the network. We need to wait for the scanning to finish. Then select Priority L9 and click Update Selection Firmware. After the upgrade, you will already have the stock firmware from L9 SVTech. We will now see the stock version of the L9. And when rolling back to stock, you will return specifically to the genuine L9 firmware. There's no need to worry. Unlike with some other manufacturers, where rollback only takes you partway, this process restores the original intended model for installing firmware. MSKMiner has solved this issue. Now, when rolling back to stock, you will get back the model you originally had. So we now see the stock L9 firmware. Then, to install the MSKMiner firmware, you need to select the checkbox with the name SVTech, which will automatically restore SVTech in your network. You should wait about 20 seconds, and you will see the MSKMiner firmware loaded. Now the MSKMiner firmware has been successfully installed on your device, and you can use all of its functions. At the moment, I don't have any hashboards connected. As I mentioned earlier, I'm only demonstrating the process with a control board. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon on our channel with the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any questions or suggestions, write to our Telegram channel or leave a comment under this video.